In this video, let me show you how to fix DoorDash login error. If you're trying to log in to your DoorDash account and you're not being able to, then in this video, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, one of the reasons why this happens is because there's simply a glitch in your phone. So what you can do in this case is tap and hold the app of DoorDash. So just tap and hold and head over to this eye icon or app info. From this section, you can just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now this is going to remove all of the caches, which are the temporary files that have been downloaded. The second thing that you can do in this case is try to log in using the website of DoorDash instead of the application. So you can open up your web browser on your phone or on your desktop and try logging into your account by searching for DoorDash.com. If the issue is happening with the app only, you'll be able to log into the website. Now, if the website is working but the app is not, in the case of the app, what you can do is just uninstall the app from your device, and once the app has been uninstalled, you can again re-download and try logging in. This not only helps you in clearing out glitches, but you will also download the latest version if there are any new updates. So once you do these couple of steps, your problem of login error should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the last thing that you can do is just wait out, because the problem is with the system of DoorDash and not your app. So you'll just need to wait out until you log in again. So that was the video on how to fix DoorDash login error. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.